Hello friends, this is Vivek from Gadget Guide for you, and in today's video I am sharing a detailed review of BlackBerry Z3. This review helps you to decide whether you want to buy BlackBerry Z3 or not. BlackBerry Z3 features a 5-inch IPS display with a resolution of 960 by 540 pixels. It has a pixel density of 220 ppi. The front is a smooth glass and there isn't much visual space around the screen. Although the display is low, but it has good viewing angles. The skin is glossy and it is prone to fingerprints. At the top it has 1.1 megapixel camera next to the earpiece. The front facing camera is capable of recording videos at a resolution 720 pixels. There is a BlackBerry LED indicator next to the earpiece and it is quite useful for notification. You can customize the colors for different notification by using apps. As you can see, there is no physical buttons below the display. There is a small bezel with BlackBerry branding. At the bottom there is a tiny microphone hole on the right next to the micro USB slot. On the top it has 3.5 mm audio jack. On the left hand side there is a power key button with the separate volume rocker button. In between volume rocker button there is a mute key, and if you press it, it launches voice control. On the right hand side there are pair of slots available for micro SIM and micro USB card. Both the slots covered by a single plastic flap. The back features a rubberized textured plastic which makes the phone look good and feel business-like. There is a 5 megapixel autofocus camera with LED flash on the left hand side of the device. The rear camera supports 1080 pixel full HD video recording. And there is a secondary microphone next to the rear camera. At the center there is a usual 7-dot BlackBerry branding with chrome finish. It packs 2500 mAh non-removable battery and the mono speaker grill placed at the bottom. Overall, in hands, BlackBerry Z3 feels durable and I am impressed by the build quality and design. On the software front, the BlackBerry Z3 runs on BBOS 10.2.1. The OS 10 is completely swipe driven and it locks the capacitive on-screen touch buttons. The lock screen has actionable notifications. The BlackBerry Hub shows all your emails and notifications from Facebook and Twitter. You have to simply swipe up from the bezel to move the app to the home screen. The quick settings menu is now customizable, and you can select what appears on the drop down menu. Out of 8 GB internal memory, only 5.6 GB is available. It has 1.5 GB RAM, out of which only 500 MB RAM is free when apps are running in the background. The device monitor offers detailed information about battery, CPU uses, memory uses and storage. You can download the APK Android apps from the web or install a third-party Android app store such as Amazon App Store or One Mobile Market to install Android apps. Now I am talking about hardware. The performance not an issue with BlackBerry Z3. Multitasking is easy and you have work on maximum of 4 apps at the same time. Even with 4 apps, performance does not lag even a bit. The phone stays cool most of the time. The dual-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 400 MSM 8230 processor with CAT 200 cores offers decent performance since the smartphone has 1.5 GB. It is enough to run apps in the background, but the ActivePen supports 4 apps to run in the background. The Adreno 305 can handle most games well, and the graphics is also decent. The built-in speaker is pretty loud and works well for voice. Now I am talking about camera. On the back there is a 5 megapixel camera with autofocus and LED flash, and there is a 1.1 megapixel camera on the front. The camera UI is pretty simple. Rear camera takes good images when the lighting is okay, and it takes grainy images in low light. The camera menu offers different options such as options to switch between camera, different shooting modes like normal, stabilization, burst and HDR. Scene modes like auto, action, whiteboard, night, beach or snow. Flash toggle and options to select aspect ratio. The rear camera capable of recording video at 1080 full HD resolution at 30 fps. The front facing camera can shoot videos at 720 pixels. Overall, the camera is the disappointment point of the device. Connectivity. There is no problem in connectivity. The Z3 has all usual connectivity options like 3G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.0 with aptX codec, NFC, GPS, Miracast support. It has USB Type-C and mobile hotspot as well, but it lacks USB OTG support. The call quality is pretty good. Calls were crystal clear, and on receiver side there is no problem with voice reception. The loudspeaker of the phone is loud. Apart from BBM and BlackBerry World App Store, it comes with Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Box, Connect to Docs, Adobe Builder and more. I am able to play some casual Android games like Subway Surfer and Temple 2. However, the graphics-rich games like Asphalt 8 did not run smoothly and noticed frame depth. The phone is clearly not designed for mobile games. Battery. One of the main highlights of the BlackBerry Z3 is its battery. The Z3 is fueled with 25 mAh and it lasts for more than a single day on full charge. The battery performance improves after lowering down the brightness. Now the final verdict on BlackBerry Z3. BlackBerry Z3 is overpriced, and such a price tag Android smartphones with better specifications are available in the market. The BlackBerry Z3 has solid build, offers better display and good battery life. It is an ideal smartphone if you are getting more emails and messages in a day. Overall, Z3 is a fantastic device and I am really like it. It has better hardware and design. Thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to like this video and do share this video with your friends on Facebook and Twitter, and finally do not forget to subscribe so that you never miss any video. This is your host Vivek signing.